Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make pudding in the oven. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of whole milk, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for flavor. Also, prepare your baking dish and preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. This easy method ensures a delicious dessert every time. Now, let's combine our ingredients. In a medium bowl, whisk the 2 large eggs with the 1/2 cup of sugar until the mixture is light and creamy. Next, slowly pour in the 2 cups of milk and the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, stirring continuously until everything is well combined. This creates a smooth, consistent pudding base, ready for baking. For baking, place your pudding dish into a larger roasting pan. Carefully pour hot water into the larger pan, reaching about halfway up the sides of the pudding dish. This water bath ensures even cooking. Bake in your preheated oven for approximately 45 to 60 minutes, or until the pudding is set and a knife inserted near the edge comes out clean. Once baked, carefully remove the pudding dish from the water bath and the oven. Allow it to cool completely at room temperature for at least 1 hour. For the best texture and flavor, transfer the cooled pudding to the refrigerator and chill for 2 to 3 hours before serving. Enjoy your wonderfully easy, homemade oven-baked pudding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.